Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So this is my part 2 to my previous video where I prep my nails and get them ready for a gel polish design. So get yourself a cuppa or a hot chocolate and let's sit down together and go through and create this lovely, simple, elegant design. Also, if you didn't already, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell and share this video. I would really appreciate that. Let's go!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
I also wanted to just say a quick hi to all of my new subscribers and new viewers. Welcome to my channel and I hope you enjoy my content and thank you so much for joining us. So I'm going to start off and I'm using Peach Perfect, which is from Nailmate. If you don't know, that is my brand and I'll link all the products down below and hopefully you guys love them as much as I do. I put everything I can into my brands. It is my passion and I dedicate everything to perfecting every single product. So I'm also going to be using the base coat. So the gel polish system is a soak off system. And even though I have my acrylic overlay or acrylic set applied, I'm still coming in with a base coat. This is optional, you don't have to do that, but I just decided that this time I just fancied applying that base coat. So I'm going to go in and apply the base coat and then cure for a full 60 seconds in the Pro LED UV lamp. Our gel polish is made in the UK, it is vegan and cruelty free as well, and the formula is absolutely glorious. It is beautiful. If you guys have tried it, you will of course already know that, and hopefully you love it just as much as I do. If you haven't already seen the video where I apply my acrylic base for these nails, then I will link it on the screen. I'll try and link it up above, but if not, if I do forget, which I usually most of the time do, if it's on the screen, I will be pleasantly surprised, and you should be as well, just saying. But if it's not there, then definitely just check back a few videos and you will see the video there where I do create this set. I show you how to remove my old acrylic, prepping the nail and applying the new acrylic as well. So I cure the base in the lamp for 60 seconds and next I'm coming in with Peach Perfect and I'm going to be applying one coat to all of the nails and curing in the light again for another 60 seconds. So that's my first coat done. I'm going to come in and do my second coat now, and you'll notice that I haven't done my thumbnail yet. To be honest, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, so I was leaving it till last, but usually anyway, if I'm doing a gel polish design, I do always do my thumb last, just so I don't like knock any of the other nails or get any fluff stuck to them, because that is super duper annoying and bothers me a lot. So yeah, I'm coming in, I'm applying my second coat, making sure to of course seal that free edge as well, and then curing the lamp for 60 seconds and we can come in with some glitter and foils. Just before I went to cure in the light, I wanted to admire how lovely Peach Perfect is. It's such a gorgeous, like, soft pastel coral neutral, like, nude colour. It is super pretty, and I would definitely wear it as a colour on its own. Super professional, super cute, and just super pretty. But this time I wanted to use some of the floral foils and our ever so popular fabulous rose gold loose glitter. This is one of our original glitters. It was custom blended by me many years ago, and it's incredible. Honestly, it's the most beautiful rose gold ever. I absolutely love it. So initially I started off just by patting the glitter into the tacky layer, and although it did obviously catch some of the glitter, I was like, I want a little bit more just in the center, because I want it kind of really quite strong on the swirl and then diffusing out. So I didn't want a definite line, but I kind of did, if that makes sense. But first I just wanted to come in with that oval brush and just remove those bits that had kind of gone a little bit all over the place. Because I was just applying it like loose, bits are definitely going to fall all over the place. So after I'd applied the first layer, I was like, right, I want a little bit more, so I come in and mix it with the base coat. So I just pop a little bit of the base coat onto the mixing palette and mix the rose gold glitter into that. So I just wanted to let you know as well that we do have the stainless steel palettes and the mixing spatulas available on the website. Mine's a little bit dusty, if I'm completely honest. We've been getting the bathroom done, which is which is right across from my nail room, and you can imagine, even just by regular nail filing, dust like that gets completely everywhere. But the palette was literally on my desk, so I definitely should have wiped it prior to showing you guys it in my video, but honestly, I didn't. You can clearly see that because it was like dusty as heck. So yeah, now that I've mixed that glitter into the Nailmate Gel Polish base coat, I'm just coming in and applying it to the nail over the top of where I applied it previously, but this time I'm working on building that up. And you can definitely cure that, flash cure it in the lamp or do a full cure and then add more if you wanted more, but this was just enough and I thought it looked super pretty and the accent nail was exactly what I was looking for, so I was happy with that. I cured it and then we're moving on to the next nail. So this is the Floral Foil Set. Don't even ask me, I don't know if it's 1 or 2 because I'm tragic. I'm going to find that out. I'll have it on the screen or I'll link it below, or maybe both, we'll see. But it's the Floral Foil Set from Glitter Planet and I'll link it below like I just freaking said. I'm so used to saying that, honestly. You guys know. Anyway, I'm also using the Foil Mate Transfer Gel and the Safe Scrub Nail Prep. So I'm going to come in first with the prep and just remove that tacky layer from the gel colour. And this is just because that Foil Mate Transfer Gel cannot be applied over any product that already has a sticky residue on it. So if you've been struggling with that, I am here to save your life and help you out. So yeah, I'm coming in, wiping off that tacky layer, and then I'm going to come in with the 100-180 grit nail files, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the shine. You do just want to do that gently. You don't want to kind of take off the colour or scratch too far into the surface. We are simply just removing that shine and etching the nail. Super light. You could even use a sponge buffer if you wanted to, but this is just what I had. And I was, on this day, I think I was literally just not moving. My desk was a mess. Everything was a state. And do you know, you just can't even be bothered to open a drawer and start looking for stuff. I was in that kind of a mood. I was like, I'm sitting here and I am painting my nails and it's going to be easy and I'm not going to be honest, I don't even think I was going to film. I just wanted to sit and create. But yeah, so I used my nail file and it still worked absolutely fine because I didn't apply much pressure, so that was fine. So once I've done that and removed that shine and just give that transfer gel something to stick to, I come back in and just wipe off the dust because we don't want to trap any of that under there. So now that I've prepped my surface ready for my transfer gel, I'm coming in and I'm going to apply a nice even layer over the entire nail. If you just want to apply it to a certain layer or a certain area on the nail, certain layer, I'm getting distracted because my husband is outside the window pulling funny faces at me. Honestly, seriously. Anyway, yeah, so if you just want to do it in a specific area, then you can just come in with a detailer brush and just paint on exactly where you want to apply that foil. But in this case, I was doing a full cover nail and I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, but then you want to go ahead and let it dry, just air dry for a further 30 to 60 seconds, and this is going to really give it a super tacky surface so that when you come with your foil, it's going to transfer the full image. I'm just pressing and rubbing on, and here we are. How bloody beautiful. I love it. I couldn't decide which part of the print to use on this nail. I kept laying it over and I was like, no, it's not gonna look right. And then, oh, do I want that bit? Honestly, it was struggle. I was struggling. It was such a hard decision because I didn't want it to look silly. But I think with foils, if you manage to get a full print, if you're using a good quality transfer gel, then when you take it off, it's always like amazing. Like you always see the full image on the nail and it's like, wow, that was so easy. Honestly, it's so easy and it's so effective and it looks fabulous. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed. So next I'm going to come in, as I say, I always leave the thumbnail till last, even though I don't think I've top coated my other nails at this point. No, I haven't. But everything's ready, good to go. So I'm coming in and doing my thumbnail. I'm just going to apply the 2 coats of the colour, and then I'm going to come in with that rose gold glitter and the base coat all mixed in one little potion, and we are applying it at the cuticle area, making sure that it's quite like more thicker at the cuticle area. And I don't mean thicker as in like a thick nail, I mean more glitter towards that cuticle area, and then you're just going to pull it down and blend it towards the free edge. So as you can see, I'm coming in and I have that mixed up on my brush, on my palette, and I'm just applying it towards that cuticle area. Initially I was just laying down a slight bit because I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. Most of the time I'm just making these designs up as I go along. Sometimes I loved them, sometimes I hated them. In this case I absolutely loved this one. But yeah, I apply more and more and just build it up as I like. So if you're doing a nail like this, don't feel like you have to apply all of that glitter in one go and then sort it out on the nail. Just apply a little bit at a time until you're happy with it. And don't forget that as well, gel polish doesn't dry until you've cured it in the lamp. So at any point you can come in and wipe it off and start again. So it's just such a lovely kind of system to work with. And the fact that I can do both, have acrylic as a base and then gel on the top, is very happy for me because I love both systems. Acrylic design and colour blocking will always be my number freaking one. You guys know that, and if you didn't, you don't now. So yeah, I'm happy with the final look. I've cured everything is good to go, and I'm just going to come in with the Nailmate Soak Off Gel Polish Top Coat and apply that to all of the nails and then cure in the light. And I just love how it brings those foils to life, honestly. Oof, it is beautiful. I love those florals. It'd be perfect for like a wedding or like a baby shower or just general everyday, but those kind of events it would be perfect for. Or like an engagement party, tea party, you know, all of those cute things. I also have to say that I'm in love with the shine that we have on our gel polish range. It is unreal. It's absolutely beautiful. It's super high shine. It's just beautiful. Like, and if you've got them, you know, like the shine and the quality is absolute perfection. For those of you that are asking, yes, I am in the process of obtaining and developing a satin top coat, which will be our matte finish top coat. It is glorious. I have the sample at my house and I love it a lot. But yeah, that is a work in progress and hopefully available soon. Okay, you guys, this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.